If you've ever want to change the clock on your home screen, on the lock screen, to be enormous like this one, this is how you do it. So let's open our phone, head over to the settings, make sure we're all the way back to the main settings area, and scroll down until you see wallpaper. Here, we can add a new wallpaper, and this doesn't work for all the different wallpapers. For example, if I go to this one, we see this little bubble in the bottom right corner of the clock. That's what allows us to make it bigger. Just drag it down, and it goes pretty darn big. But that little bubble does not appear on all of the different types of wallpaper. If I go to this one, it appears, so we can drag and drop to make the size smaller or bigger. The Astronomy, it does not appear. You see there's no bubble there. We can't make this bigger. We have options to change the font type, font color, making it glass or solid. We can do that kind of stuff, but we can't actually make it bigger for the Astronomy type wallpapers. For the emojis, we also can't. There's no bubble in the bottom right corner. For the Kaleidoscopes, here we can. You see that bubble. Make it as big as you want. Why you can do it for some and not for others, I don't know. But that's just how it's set up currently. For this one you can. For the Pride ones you can. I assume if it could do one of the set, it can do it for all. And that's incorrect. Because this Pride one, you can't do it. But then the one I was just on a moment ago, you can. So you got to find the specific kind of wallpaper that allows you to do it. You got to tap into it and look for that little bubble that you can make the iPhone clock size way bigger for your home screen if that's what you want to do. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, like and subscribe to let me know because it really helps the channel. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to customize the apps on your home screen on your iPhone. There's lots of different options you can choose. Hopefully some of these are ones that you like. So check out that video and I'll see you there.